What if I told you the secret to reigniting your youthful vigor, regaining unwavering confidence in your most intimate moments, and feeling an electrifying surge of energy doesn't lie in expensive pharmaceutical solutions or complex medical procedures? What if this profound transformation could begin with something astonishingly simple, something you've likely overlooked or even deliberately avoided for years, hidden right in your kitchen pantry? Many men have walked right past it, perhaps dismissing it due to its pungent aroma, or even removing it from their diets out of embarrassment, wrongly believing it's nothing more than a common culinary ingredient with no real power. But as a medical professional, I can assure you, the human body possesses astounding capacities for restoration and rejuvenation, if only we learn to understand its language and provide what it truly needs. Too often, men mistakenly believe that a decline in their drive or performance is a definitive sign of waning masculinity, an irreversible march towards the end of their prime. Yet, in many cases, this isn't the truth. Instead, it's often the cumulative result of stress, inadequate nutrition, and the natural progression of aging impacting a delicate chemical balance within the body. Imagine a remarkably simple, inexpensive experiment that could profoundly restore the sense of confidence that may have eroded over the years, unveiling an inherent strength you never even knew existed within you. This isn't a far-fetched fantasy, it's a tangible reality waiting to be discovered, a powerful shift that could redefine your daily experience and intimate life. However, let me clarify an absolutely crucial point. The true power lies not just in the ingredient itself, but in how you prepare it and precisely when you consume it. This is precisely where most men miss the mark, unwittingly sabotaging their potential for profound change. I'm about to reveal the scientifically proven method that transforms a common clove of this humble ingredient into a genuine catalyst for robust blood flow, not just to your heart and brain, but specifically to the arteries vital for achieving strong, sustained erections and overall sexual vitality. This approach empowers your body to reclaim its natural performance, mirroring the peak condition of your younger years and potentially even surpassing it. While this might sound almost too straightforward, I urge you to pay close attention because there's a highly specific timing involved. A slight misstep can render the entire benefit useless, leaving you to mistakenly conclude that this natural remedy doesn't work, when in fact, it simply wasn't utilized correctly. For this very reason, I ask you to stay with me, because understanding the how and when is far more critical than any mere list of ingredients. History itself offers compelling clues. Across ancient civilizations, this ingredient wasn't just seen as food, it was revered as a symbol of power and protection. Legends recount how ancient Egyptians placed it among their most precious treasures, believing it preserved strength even beyond death. Roman soldiers famously consumed it before battles, not merely to ward off illness, but to ignite an inner energy, a deep sense of capability and steadfastness. These observations weren't mere superstitions, they were human experiences that predated modern science, hinting at a profound biological truth. Today, contemporary scientific research, including studies published in esteemed journals like the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, unequivocally confirms what ancient cultures intuitively understood. These studies demonstrate that the sulfur compounds found abundantly in our featured ingredient, most notably a powerful compound called allicin, play a direct and pivotal role in stimulating the body's natural production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide, in simple terms, is the master key responsible for relaxing and widening blood vessels, a foundational step for achieving a powerful, stable erection. Many men mistakenly focus on muscle strength or libido, when in reality, the issue most often boils down to compromised blood flow and a delicate internal chemistry thrown off balance by chronic stress, poor diet, and the natural aging process. You may have personally experienced moments of profound frustration, feeling as though your body simply wasn't responding as you wished. While that feeling can be disheartening, it is far from the end of the road. This brings me to a pivotal point. Consuming this ingredient whole, or simply adding it raw to cooked meals, only allows you to access a minuscule fraction of its true potential benefits. Its profound power is unleashed only when a specific chemical reaction occurs before it enters your body. Without this crucial activation, you're missing out on the very compound that is genuinely responsible for enhancing blood flow and supporting erectile function. This is the precise secret we will uncover, step by step, empowering you with knowledge that can fundamentally change your intimate health. Let's now transition from the general concept to the very core of the matter, speaking in scientific terms, yet with utmost simplicity. The clove you hold in your hand isn't just a uniform piece of tissue, it's a remarkably intelligent chemical system. Inside each clove are two fundamental compounds, naturally separated from each other. One is called allicin, a compound that is virtually odorless and inert on its own. The other is an enzyme known as alliinase. These two components coexist within the garlic cells, but remain inactive as long as the clove remains intact. The transformative moment occurs when you crush or mince the garlic. This act of breaking down the cell walls causes the allicin to meet the alliinase enzyme, initiating a swift and potent chemical reaction. This reaction produces the highly significant compound we discussed earlier, allicin. This pungent sulfur compound is responsible for the characteristic strong smell that everyone recognizes, but it is also the highly active ingredient that stimulates your body to produce nitric oxide. This is the real key to dilating blood vessels and significantly improving blood flow to sensitive tissues throughout the body, including those critical for erectile function. Here, I need you to pay close attention to a common mistake that most men make unknowingly. Many simply chop garlic and add it directly to hot food, believing they are getting the full benefit. However, scientifically speaking, the exact opposite occurs. The high heat rapidly destroys the alliinase enzyme, often within mere seconds. This effectively halts the production of allicin completely. In such cases, you are essentially eating cooked garlic that tastes good, but it lacks the vital biological impact required to support healthy erections and optimal blood flow. The scientifically correct method begins with thorough crushing, not just quick chopping. You must meticulously crush 1 or 2 fresh garlic cloves using a fork or the flat side of a knife until it forms an almost paste-like consistency. Following this, an incredibly important stage, often overlooked by most people, is the waiting period. You must allow the crushed garlic to sit exposed to the air for at least 10 minutes and ideally 15 minutes. It is during this precise time frame that the highest possible concentration of allicin is produced, before it naturally begins to break down. Only after this chemical reaction is complete and the allicin has fully formed is the garlic in its most active and beneficial state. At this point, you can consume it raw or add it to cold foods that won't expose it to heat, such as yogurt, salads, or pure natural honey. By following this method, you're not just eating garlic, you are harnessing a complete biological mechanism designed to naturally enhance blood flow and support sexual function. I recall a message I received some time ago from a man I'll call Ahmed. He was feeling profoundly disheartened, explaining that he had tried consuming garlic for long periods, adding it to his meals, and enduring its potent smell, but saw zero results. When I explained the concept of crushing and the critical waiting period, emphasizing the importance of timing, I asked him to try it for just 2 days. After 2 days, I received a short message from him that simply read, "A miracle." He then added that the difference in the strength of blood flow was clear and astonishing to him. What I want you to understand here is that this has nothing to do with magic or exaggeration. It's pure, intelligent life chemistry. When we allow it to work correctly, and when we provide our bodies with what they need in the right way and at the appropriate time, the body responds. However, I know precisely what might be on your mind right now. What about the smell? Indeed, the pungent aroma is often the biggest challenge and the primary reason many men stop using garlic consistently. Rest assured, science has clear and effective solutions for this too. Now that you understand how to properly activate the garlic clove for maximum benefit, we arrive at the stage where many men falter, not due to skepticism about the benefits, but because of anxiety over the smell and its social and psychological implications. As a doctor, I confirm that this concern is entirely understandable, yet science has not remained helpless in the face of this problem. There are natural compounds in surprisingly simple foods that are capable of neutralizing the volatile sulfur compounds responsible for garlic's odor, preventing them from transferring from your digestive system to your breath. Here's the first proven strategy, ideal for most men seeking clear, rapid effects with minimal disturbance. After thoroughly crushing 2 medium-sized fresh garlic cloves and allowing them to sit for 10 to 15 minutes to ensure full activation, consume the garlic with a small spoonful of pure, natural honey. Honey isn't just for improving the taste, it's a powerful circulatory enhancer in its own right, working synergistically with garlic to boost blood flow. Immediately afterward, it's highly recommended to chew on fresh mint leaves or eat a small green apple. Studies have shown that the enzymes in apples and the compounds in mint are exceptionally effective at capturing and neutralizing the sulfur compounds, significantly reducing the odor. This simple pairing allows you to reap garlic's incredible benefits without the social anxiety that often accompanies its consumption. For those who prefer to consume their activated garlic in the evening when social interaction is minimal, here's an excellent alternative, the second strategy. After activating the garlic using the same crushing and weighting method, mix it with a tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to support heart health and blood vessels, making it an ideal partner for garlic in dilating arteries and enhancing blood flow. It's best to consume this mixture approximately an hour before bedtime. After taking the mixture, you can drink a small glass of full-fat milk. The fats in the milk effectively absorb a significant portion of the sulfur compounds, powerfully reducing the lingering odor. This thoughtful approach allows you to integrate garlic's profound benefits into your routine discreetly and effectively, maximizing its impact while minimizing any unwanted side effects. I want you to pause for a moment and reflect on the deeper meaning of what you're doing. You're not just consuming a quick fix or a complex remedy, you are actively investing in the health of your arteries. And the health of your arteries is synonymous with the health of your entire body. When you take care of your tiny blood vessels, you are nurturing your heart, your brain, your intimate life, and even your emotional well-being. Many men report a significant improvement in confidence even before they notice major physical changes, because the body begins to send positive signals to the brain, establishing a new, healthier internal dialogue. I vividly remember another message I received from a man in his mid-50s whom I'll call Tarek. He was utterly convinced that his strength was irrevocably gone, accepting his decline as an unavoidable part of aging. After just a few weeks of diligently following the activated garlic routine with the correct waiting period, he wrote to tell me that the change wasn't merely physical, it was an internal sense of refreshment and reassurance. He shared that his wife noticed his renewed self-confidence even before she perceived the physical results. This specific point is incredibly important, as confidence is a fundamental component of any successful relationship. However, let me be absolutely clear, garlic, even when properly activated, is not a magical cure-all for every condition. While it is a powerful component, it functions optimally when integrated into a supportive system. There are other foods that can act as genuine team players, significantly amplifying garlic's effects and transforming temporary improvements into a lasting sense of readiness and well-being. After all we've discussed, I want you to grasp a crucial truth in natural medicine. Some elements don't reveal their maximum power when working in isolation. Instead, their true strength emerges when they are integrated and synergized with others. Garlic is indeed a potent ally, but it becomes exponentially more effective when placed in an environment that supports it and complements its mechanisms. This brings me to a secret partner, often overlooked despite its simplicity: ginger. Ginger is far more than a warming spice or a seasonal beverage. It is a remarkably effective medicinal root that operates through a completely different mechanism than garlic. While garlic focuses on stimulating nitric oxide production and dilating blood vessels, ginger works to increase overall blood flow velocity throughout the body and powerfully reduces inflammation within the arterial walls. This difference in mechanism is precisely what makes combining them so intelligent and impactful. You're not just addressing one aspect of vascular health, You're supporting the entire circulatory system comprehensively. When you add fresh ginger, whether grated or powdered, to your daily routine, your body begins to respond more deeply. You'll experience an internal warmth, enhanced activity, and a quicker response in peripheral circulation, precisely the areas that are most affected by aging or chronic stress. This isn't an exaggeration, it's a logical outcome of reducing inflammation and improving arterial flexibility. I recommend a simple, straightforward routine that won't complicate or disrupt your life. In the morning, consume 1 or 2 cloves of activated garlic, prepared using the method we discussed, ideally with natural honey to establish a foundational boost of daily energy. In the evening, about an hour before bedtime, prepare a cup of fresh ginger tea with a little honey and a squeeze of lemon. This timing is not arbitrary. During the night, your body enters a phase of repair and regeneration, and this is when its responsiveness to these natural compounds is strongest and most stable. What unfolds with this routine is not a temporary surge, but a gradual, sustained rebuilding of your inner vitality. Many men anticipate immediate results, and when they don't appear within hours, they become disheartened. But the body doesn't work that way. It requires consistent, safe signals to restore balance. With persistence, the difference begins to amaze, not just in physical performance, but in mood, sleep quality, and an overarching sense of vitality.